What was important to us was to make it as comfortable a home as we can so that our grown-up children will come back and visit with our grandchildren. A house that could accommodate for a long time to come. The home was open and light before, but there was a lot of tiles, the floor was tiles, and the home was a bit of a darker colour. Peter and I have recently retired, and so we thought, oh, now's a good time to get it exactly how we want it for the rest of our lives. We'll only do it once, let's do it now while we're still young. Comfort in the relationship with the builder is central, and values are important. I had a couple of recommendations. Mitch turned up after work one day, just told us his story, learning from his father, and asked us what our story was. Right from the start, we knew that Watara Homes and Mitch was a values fit for us. I just had such confidence in our ability to communicate well together. Mitch and our architect, he got a sense they were on the journey with us. And he and Mitch worked really well together. There was that real collaborative spirit around the build, which I really valued. Mitch and his team kept to that every step of the way. A big tick in us going with Mitch was that he had an online portal called Build a Trend. Anytime I wanted to see where we were up to, I'd just go online. It was brilliant, I loved it. I do get an enormous amount of pleasure from the home. I'm really looking forward to making it an extension of our family and having happy family times here.